Introducing Parallels 18, the authorized solution for running Windows 11 on Apple Mac devices. If you have an M1 or M2 Mac, including the MacBook Air, Pro, Mini, iMac, and Mac Studio, you can now say goodbye to Apple-made Intel chips and work officially with Windows 11 on your Mac device. Parallels 18 allows users to access Windows 11 Pro or Windows 11 Enterprise versions in virtual environments. However, Windows Subsystem for Android and Windows Subsystem for Linux are not supported due to the restrictions on nested or double virtualization. Plus, only 64-bit ARM apps are supported, with 32-bit apps no longer supported due to their deprecation with Windows 11. If you intend to use Parallels in a business context, it requires an annual subscription, as well as the purchase of a Windows 11 license. With these expenses, this may not be the cheapest option, but if you rely on specific Windows-only software, it might be your best choice. Parallels 18 offers Mac users a simple, officially approved solution to access Windows on Apple computers, giving you the best of both worlds. Take advantage of the system today and get the most out of your Mac device for work.